Huawei is slowly making its way back into the global news. Yeah, after the ban, Huawei completely disappeared. It was pretty much restricted to China only, but as Huawei kept pushing forward, it started showing up in the global news and events again, which is definitely a good sign. A perfect example of this is the recently held MWC 2025 event. After a long time, Huawei made a proper appearance, and not just an appearance, they stole the whole show. They showcased a ton of new products, including the world's first humanoid robot and their latest triple folding phone, the Huawei Mate X-T, which completely shocked people. In fact, that phone became the highlight of the entire event. But that's not all. Huawei also showcased the new 5.5G solutions, pushing network technology even further. The reason I'm telling you all this is because Huawei is making an insane comeback. And guess what? Even Samsung had to respond. Yeah, Samsung also showed off its own triple folding phone at MWC called the Samsung Galaxy G Fold series. Clearly, it's meant to compete with the Huawei Mate X-T. People even started comparing both phones side by side. Samsung has suggested to launch its first tri-fold handset later this year. How the new phone compete with the world's first triple foldable smartphone would be worth looking at, but I am thinking this competition in a different perspective. The thing is, whether people realize it or not, this competition alone is bringing a lot of recognition to Huawei, like already. And when Samsung will release this phone, people around the globe gonna compare both phones, and from that point, Huawei will get recognition again. I hope I cleared my point here. Anyway, I honestly think Huawei's best era is just getting started. What do you guys think about it? Let me know your thoughts on it in the comments section below, and of course, subscribe for more videos like it. Peace out.